Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an invitation letter for guest lecture. What is a formal invitation letter for guest lecture? A formal invitation letter is written to ask a person or an organization to attend a university for a lecture. The purpose of an invitation letter is to coordinate beforehand the number of guests attending the event. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an invitation letter for guest lecture step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write the header of the letter. Mostly, every university or college has a template for the header. And then, write the recipient's personal information. Here, the letter is for professor to be a guest lecture. So, write the full name. And write the university he works at. Write also the department or specific building of the university. And then, write the address. If it is famous university, it is okay to just write the address on the envelope. After that, write the date of the letter. You can then open the invitation letter with Dear Professor followed by the name. Or, you may write Dear Mr. or Ms. followed by the name. In the first paragraph, write why you are writing the professor a letter. In this case, introduce your university name and show your honor to invite the recipient to deliver lectures. Still in the first sentence, you have to mention what program it is. In this case, the program name is Fulbright Guest Lecture Program. The next sentence, you can write specific theme of the lectures. If you invite the recipient for more than one lecture, you need to write the list of the topics. Here, the sender invite the professor to give 2 lectures. So, they need to write 2 topics here. In the second paragraph, write the settings of the lectures. In this case, write the dates which involve the month, date, and year. Still in the same sentence, write the time as well. After mentioning the time, you can write details about the audiences. Here, write how many students will be attending the lectures. And which department or faculty they are. Of course, this information is very important for the guests so they can prepare it well. In the third paragraph, write details about accommodations. You need to mention where the professor will be welcomed, such as on campus or hotel or so on. And write how many nights your campus provide the accommodations. Write the dates to make everything clear. and offer the professor to ask any questions or stuff or anything related to the lectures. For example, you may offer them audio-visual equipment and so on. And ask them to inform your university about the guest travel itinerary. And now, close the letter with warming sentence like "I cannot wait to see you in your university." Write best wishes, and sincerely. Write your signature, your full name, and your title or position. And write also the name of your office and the name of the university. So, that's how you write an invitation letter for guest lecture. I hope you find this video helpful. Cannot wait to see you on the next video. See you.